Hi, so I want to unbox with you Wynn by Noriko in the color Spiced Brown. So it's a new style. So excited. So I'm wearing Briar, also by Noriko, in the color Sandy Salt. Cute little piece. Anyway, getting sidetracked. So let's open up Wynn. Oh, this color is sumptuous. Right. Let's take it out of the box. And then it has the net, so help the style stay in place. Oh, look at this color. This is sumptuous. It has an extended lace front, and it has a very wide mono part. Look at how wide that is. So you have really a lot of parting options with this one. Open wefts, extended, net covered nape, and bra strap like adjusters. So this is on loan, so I can't mess with this too much. Same with this one. This is straight out of the box as well. So I haven't done anything to this, which is great. I think these styles are pretty much wearable straight out of the box. So let me take this one off. So these are all on loan. That's why I'm wearing a wig cap. I would shake this first, but obviously it's on loan, so I can't mess with it too much. So let's pop this one on. Ooh, this is cute. Oh, I'm liking this. Look at the cut here. That's adorable. And look at the fringe. So yeah, you can definitely cut in a fringe if you wanted to. So on me, it's slightly too long, but you could just move it up. If you don't want to cut anything, that's my tip. Just move it up a little bit. Obviously, it depends on your measurements. If you have a shorter forehead than mine, you probably still have to cut it. This is adorable. And I tell you what, there's hardly any permatease here. That's definitely not the pillowy kind. It's a lovely natural density, which I love. So let's look at it from all sides. Oh, it's gorgeous. So cute. Oh, this is a great everyday piece, in my opinion. Oh, it feels really light as well. Let's have a look at the lace front. We have some lighter pieces here at the front. Knots are hardly visible. This is great. And then your mono part, so you can part it anywhere in this area here. So there's a lot of space there for you to play with. Look how cute this is. So tell me what you think of Wynn.